Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack on the Senzo Meyiwa case, the proceedings at High Court in Pretoria. High Bo Wasukage Ubali. What did I tell you on the video before this one? You say, oh, die hard Ubaloy will never run out of witnesses. Also, I let some witnesses. I am telling you, with this in I want to witness that you want to bring. Just stop with those things. Those are like crazy things. He's just outstanding. And remember, I said, I love him because these days also I scream. He's very calm. It's just like, why? From us. Gobalomuntu was not even on the list of people that were supposed to be brought as witnesses. How baloy? APS who were not in the house, and someone was even saying, you could swear gatekeeper Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Kinid was at Kelly's house at the time when the incident happened. The way this guy is so good. Oh my gosh. Kinid. I am near Shemi Rosel Bunile. Literally. You all deserve. Guys, some family money. It's impossible, guys. Uzungu, because of Zungu's lies, you can't even be telling us right now. At the time, now Dr. Ali is working for the state. Guys, you can't be serious. That's what we are trying to tell Ubaloy. He just doesn't give up, bruh. Like, because you just say, I'm actually done with Gininda's lies and Duyanwang Faragland. I'm actually done. Can I just move on with my life? There's nothing wrong with that. You had to break it down to him because, listen, bruh, it's not going to happen. The audacity and the nerve that Ubaloy has is beyond me. It's just like anginandaba. So it's a logo I mean. What suits me? It's in Jalo State in any case. Civilian just come on, city. This is us. What are you gonna do? To advocate him, Dr. Ali is our witness. We're not jiggy, we are hambiza, like that's gross irregularity. Who even does that to themselves? Like usu desperate ngalendle, like usu sasa noma yinto vele usukuyele nje nomba. And be like, come, but he's been doing that though. Ubaloy, ubiza nombani as a witness. Ubaloy usaqhubeka nalento yakhe kuba phethe nalabo mntanakhe and childish, and they continue actually to do that. Uzobe khuluma kabi ngomezilo, and guys, you know very well if you've been on this channel for quite some time how I feel about Umgo. Angifune next ngalo wamuntu. May his soul rest in eternal peace. And the stuff that he was going to bring in that court was the truth. Or something must happen to you. Most of the people that were at Rent Clinic when Ulongo Thala came, asibazi ukuthi baphi khona nje wavela uNyamalala wavenish on thin air ukuyibona lo nto bese kuba khona who passed on, let's put it that way, and then bavela banyamalala abantu bakhona. So why are you bringing that up? What are you trying to do? Because you're trying to ukuthi thina sikhohlwe kanti sazi kahle thina what happened in the house. Khona nabayidubula enyaweni yelule ngothwala. Why ubaba khe ngafuna ze court uyamthatha amfake mangamfakile emaphoyiseni ukuthi ambophe uyamthatha amise rehab now and again ukuthi angakwazi ukukhuluma. So many times long ukuthwala was like mina ngifuna ukukhuluma because uyangibona kumanje ngiyimpuphu. And my dad keeps on saying mina I'm a sound engineer. But if you're a sound engineer, how come you've never worked? And you're gonna be free, eh? Very free. And I had said back in the days, guys, Emandulo, Abantu, they used to talk and be like, Ngimbulele, I'm sorry. Okay, if you can read books in the 1800s, they will tell you what used to happen there. Wongabosh. Namanje, Hedo Kelly told us the truth. Why won't you just tell people the truth of what happened to him? And move on with your life. How is that even going to help you? I don't even understand. Why don't you just tell them he was what happened to their son who was working for them here in Johannesburg when also his name was Baba Senzo Meyiwa sefikile. Senzo Meyiwa's cousins and Sfiso Meyiwa. You are the same person futhi owashintsha wafaka amanye ama-SIM card. Uwafuna ini into enza Senzo Meyiwa ngoba you were not married to him. Mawunengane kuphela naye. and awufuna futhi ukusitshela ukuthi who killed him. Uyayibona guys ukuthi lento le isayinde. And someone is even saying omunye, one of the YouTubers yesterday was saying ukuthi these are the reasons why uSenzo Meyiwe will never get justice. Wafaka wabala lawo reasons maningi. Wafela kimi at the end of the day. So we want the truth from you. That's why I've always said, mina, okay, noma mhlambe chances are she didn't really pull the trigger. But sina iwambulala uSenzo, guys. Am I wrong? Am I right? That's my thing. I've always said now ambulala. That's just my thing all the time. Because angithi mina ngifikele kini. Yeah, mina fanele ngincike kuwena every time whatever happens to me. Ukuthi uLongo wamdubula, ukuthi ubani wamdubula. At the end of the day, who invited me at the Khumalozi? Kelly Khumalo. Angena ubaba wengane yakho, ngubaba wengane yakho. Why can't you tell people what happened to me? Hi guys, those are crazy things, guys. And people do them and think it's right, they get away with them, like crazy stuff like that. How do you even sleep at night? He can't move on with his life. And he said it to ukhathele wakatshela ngisho uTefo ukuthi I'm tired. Ngikhathele, I'm so tired. Ngifuna ukukhuluma mina manje. 35 seconds okay we video Mr. Bailey ephika ethi mina ngicela nje status ngangifaka indabeni zakhe at some stage mina I was even working in China. Ngene nowhere in that things. Please never sinifaka mina indaba. Sicabanga guys abantu they like thina safuna uqambanga. We are tired. Omabasa nje actually bazisola. Akahambanga yini uMngomezulu after he mentioned ukuthi ufuna Olongothala in that court. Akaza zahambi. And then njengamanje uyamention futhi advocate Charles Mnisi ukuthi uMr Longo ungathi singayo maphandle amaplakati Longwe outside. Those are the witnesses we're looking for as South Africans. Asifuni lo mbheda balokhu besilelisela nokubaluyi. Like I said ukuthi uMnisi was breaking it down for ubaluyi ukuthi listen wena as a state please leave Longwe alone. It's ours. I was just like I couldn't hold myself. I was on the floor literally. Athi owethu uLongwe stay away from him. Cabanga guys is our witness. Hey guys, these are the things we want thina. Hey, futhi yazi uNkulunkulu usebenza ngezinye indlela. Akhuluma ngathi le case ngamthatha u30 years. Kodwa someday one day bazoyisola abantu. And what's crazy about it is that you're in that group that was in the house. One of them will be tired one day. You know balinye. Awungakaza about 10. One day. So uthi Charles Mnisi advocate, please, we my lord, awukungichazele kahle. Why is the state so afraid of us calling Longo thina as defense? What's hard there? Yini tenzima lapho? Awukungichazele basabani. Awubaphethe. Abona uMnisi uya excel manje show off. It's showing off in another way. Uthi advocate Mnisi I've speculated ukuthi yini mhlambe la bayisabayo but bayasaba my lord for Longo to come here. But you know what also mhlambe nami ngicabanga ukuthi why are they afraid? They are afraid ukuthi uLongo is going to come here and tell us the truth basically. Because he will tell us ukuthi no ngadubuleka la but this is what actually happened on the day. And that's exactly what we want. We are tired. The Meyiwas deserve justice. It's as simple as that. There's no sugarcoating about it. There is nothing. We must just get the justice for them. It's as simple as that. They deserve it. More especially uMakasenzo guys. Ubaba kwahambe ngazange zabona ukuthi look what's going on here. And I've said so many times ukuthi ubaba kaSenzo and Senzo's twin for that matter. They must fight. And the Meyiwas in general. You know all the time mangabe kumentionwa isibhamu esasetshenziswa lapha lesesesonto vele ke lesesikachi kothwala in any case. Urata always jumps benobaloyi. This time ke kuba urata. Yazi njalo ngoba you know what's crazy? uMngomezulu wasimention futhi na isibhamu ukuthi no it wasn't a 9mm isibhamu, it was actually a revolver. Ubhizi uMnisi naye is like being sarcastic and all of that is like so uzoza uLongo athi hi no actually asebenzisa nge9mm sasebenzisa irevolver wathi urata kahle awumencane ngama speculations, but those are not speculations guys, it's the truth. It's crazy. Njalo makufanele sikhulume iqiniso siyavinjwa. So thulani nini valani nomdomo yini. Uthi uMnisi akafuke brigadier yakhe nenda ozovuza laphana azokhuluma ngale video because uzobe sitshela ngithi ngama speculations. Angithi ubhizi urata uthi ama speculations yeah, so that video akekufuna ukuyilalela sandaba nayo. It has no value actually for us. It's the same as go to and other things. Because really now state isiqalile futhi nama hearsay yabo and kufanele siwabelieve and they must actually be submitted to court for what? uRamasipile is now standing up now ekhuluma the same thing yokuthi no. Actually, this is the section where it says by law, we can't have hearsays going on in court. We can't rely on that, such evidence. We go on alone. uRamasipile, after Mnisi spoke, they tried him to fight. No Zithulele Nxumalo. I just thought there's trust teamwork. That was very brilliant actually for Ramasipile. He was saying it's a hearsay lento le ukuthi kuzofika lo Dr. Bailey ezokhuluma ayizwakala bakuya video le kuthiwa sivele siyibuke cause there's no need for that. And ngiyakutshela uRatha is going to admit it. Mina nje shame ngigrandi ngoRatha. uRamasipile was just like, it doesn't cut it for us. Because it's hearsay. It's someone else talking for longer without utterances. It's like, what's the point, guys? Women allowed to it's akekho longo, but akhulunywa futhi. It's like, what's the point? Le video le izosiza ngani? So he's just saying bona they won't be agreeing to it. The state once told them that Longwe will come, kusho Ramasipile. Now all of a sudden Longwe can come in Bagabatela apparently on a certain Friday. And then on Monday, Ulongo wasabonakala futhi. So uRamasipile since isikhathele we want to learn to them. And Ramasipile also did explain that whole thing which Ulongo is alive and not in izidakamizwa neziyobisi anymore. Social media. I was just like, now Ramasipile named that. uRamasipile athi, I've been practicing law for 100 years. This is hogwash. We're not going to allow this. This is not relevant. It's not going to help us with anything. It won't bring anything. And it's the whole thing. Yoguti ukininda always has his way. And mostly like kakhulu ukininda lethe le information angithi. But uBaloyi ucushise le ifake so that sizobona ukuthi sima kanjani. Iyangibora lento. So Ramasipile was like, my lord, I've been practicing for 100 years. I know my indaba angilahlekile nje ngibona ke la. I know my story, So this thing Brigadier Kininda won't have power really. This video, it's not really, gonna help with anything. Zithulele said the same thing. Was Zithulele, and we busy going around circles, gezinto that are not bringing anything to this court to prove these 5 accused ukuthi ngempela bayenza yini lento ekanjeni. Ukuyibona lento, and we are wasting time basically. We're not progressing. That was Zithulele's submission. Defense, I just feel like it's not really ganging up on anyone. This was just pure teamwork. Section 2 and 3 law, I think, if I remember well, and I feel like we hearsay and cannot necessarily be admitted. Ubaloyi says the evidence is relevant. He will tell you a nganekwane of a story for a long time. Why is it important for them, or for uRatha for that matter, to admit it and justify it as admissible, making some crazy examples? And I'm just like, I'm examples, guys, they are so lame, like I'm getting away. I think the footage is authentic. What is the problem here? Is it authentic? And apparently the footage, they call me to July, and then that's it. You 35 seconds. I was just like, I'm done. Ungati short, like really, I go YouTube, honestly. And Mr. Bailey says he was in China, so, and in her corner, that whole thing, SAPS, he's the one who actually did. And then he's like, he wasn't even here on the 27th law of 2014 in October. He wasn't even around, he was in China. So manje guys ungena phi lo Mr. Bailey wabantu babhizi bamfaka bathi bazombiza ke bafuna ukwazi bafuna ukuthi avume lo uJudge Ratha. uRamasipile had to read that whole nto le, but ngibona ngathi uyatatazela na uRamasipile sithi angishongo ukuthi irrelevant. Then what are you saying? Even you usidayisa, like honestly. Ngizoke ngime lapho kancane for now, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me. I appreciate you. Ngithanda over. Thank you.